Bohag 2.0.
After successful completion of Mission Bohag 1, my dear friend Khalil has come up with Mission Bohag 2. So I wish many organization and people could be a part of it and get benefited from it. So Mission Bohag 2.
Hi guys, get ready to have a blast on Bohag 2.0.
Mission Bohag 2.0.
Mission Bohag 2.0.
Bohag 2.0.
Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag 2.0.
Mission Bohag 2.
মিছন বহাগ 1ৰ পিছত এইবাৰ আহি আছে মিছন বহাগ 2।
Best wishes to Mission Bohag 2.0 and yes, stay tuned. Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag 2.0. Mission Bohag.
Mission Bohag 2.0.
Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag 2.
Bohag.
Mission Bohag 2.
Son Bohag.
Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag.
Mission Bohag.
Mission Bohag. All the best.
Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag 2.
Mission Bohag 2. Mission Bohag 2. Mission Bohag.
I am very happy to announce that the Line Mime Theater is organizing a one-day free theatrical workshop called Mission Bohag 2.0. There'll be games and activities, theater games, acting, storytelling, mime, fairy tales, magic, many other games and activities that have recently been taken up in Assam. Ibrahim Khalil and his colleagues, who have been studying at the National School of Drama at Tripura, will come to teach it. Invite your neighbors or anyone to get up and collaborate together on this wonderful event. Be there.